Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour through New Kingston. We are on Knutsford Boulevard and we're heading towards Trafalgar Road. On the right, that's the Pegasus Hotel, which is one of the top hotels in Kingston. Straight ahead, that white building used to be the Wyndham. It's under construction, it's being renovated. And on the right, that's the Courtly Hotel. And all three hotels here on this strip are owned by the same company. On the left is Ligani Club. And this is a hotel that used to be the Wyndham. It's been closed for a couple of years while they renovate it. On the left is the Bijou jewelry store, and these shops that you see on the right are part of the hotel. I think they're all empty except for the one at the end, which operates as a police station. And Knutsford Boulevard is the main road in New Kingston. And New Kingston is the business area of Jamaica. It's like the Jamaican version of Wall Street. This is where you find all the financial entities. And some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica are also located here. Or some of the tallest, yeah. The Pegasus was actually the tallest building in Jamaica at one time, but there are quite a few buildings taller than it now. But when it was built back in the 1970s, till about last year, it held the title as tallest building. On the right is CIBC, that's the head office for CIBC in Jamaica. And we're now turning on to Grenada Crescent. And that building used to be the Island Life building. It's now the Courtly Corporate Center. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive through New Kingston. Alright guys, have a good day.